Is your Instagram account hacked? Don't stress. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover it step by step. Many people struggle with the recovery process, but today I'm breaking it down in a simple way. Make sure you watch until the end to get every detail right, because one wrong step could mean the difference between getting your account back or losing it for good. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, your account will be safe and secure. Steps 1. Open the Instagram app and click on Forget Password. 2. Enter your username or email address linked to the account. 3. Select the option to recover your account via email. Check your inbox for a recovery code, then enter it into Instagram. 5. After verifying the code, you'll be prompted to create a new, strong password. Done. Your account is back, and it's time to secure it. Conclusion: now that you've recovered your account, let's talk about keeping it safe from future attacks. First, enable two-factor authentication. This is one of the most effective ways to protect your account. Make sure you regularly change your password and use a unique one for Instagram that you don't share with other platforms. Watch out for phishing emails or suspicious links that could compromise your login details. By following these steps, you can drastically reduce the chances of your account being hacked again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more essential security tips.